Look at these two knives and tell me this does not look like alien technology. I'm not crazy here. You're telling me a person designed this knife? You're telling me this was found out of a UFO or something? Guys, come on. You can't convince me that this knife was not... What? It was? No.
Welcome to Average Gear Review, where the best gear is the gear you have on you.
That's the video you guys really want to see me adjusting the camera and breathing really hard. What is up, guys? Average Gear Reviewer here, back again with another quick little unboxing for you. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first video, hey, thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate you. If you're a returning viewer, great to see you. How you guys been? Let me know in the comments down below how you been. I missed you guys. Of course, if you have been following, you know we've been doing... Well, we were doing the new knife month series, which I'm going to just go ahead and jump back into. We're just going to go ahead and Charlie Mike on that one, okay? All right. So the next two up will be number 5 and 6 in that series. And of course, they are from Kaiser, as you can see from the boxes. This is going to be a couple of really cool designs from Maciej Torbé. I hope I'm not butchering that name, but I'm sure, as usual, I probably am. And if so, I'm really sorry, dude. He designed some really awesome knives. He's designed some for Civivi. Notably, I think the Kepler was one of his designs. Really big knife. I'm really not good enough at this to put a picture of it right here, but I would if I could. He's designed some for Kaiser as well. And I don't know for sure exactly what those are, but I had to research them. Anyway, we're taking a look today at a couple of knives. I don't know why they're not talked about more. They're fixed blades. And they are super cool. They look like they could be alien technology. But anyway, these are the Kizer Cobbler and the Scuttler. So sort of like the, one of them is like the little brother to the other one. But anyway, I can't wait to take a look at these. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. So let's go to the top down view and take a look at it. How's that? Is that good? Okay, guys, we're over here at the top down view, and of course we got this one is the Cobbler, and I believe the Cobbler is the larger of the two. Could be wrong about that, but I believe so. And then the Scuttler is going to be the smaller one. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into these and check them out. I'm super excited to open these up and check them out. And if you've gotten a Kaiser before, you know their packaging is always really, really well done. Kaiser does a good job on the packaging and just the whole unboxing experience in general. So there you go. Of course, you got a couple of stickers here, which that's cool. You can always use more stickers. And looks like the knife itself. Okay. And I believe, this piece comes out, I think, yeah, okay. Yeah, so that bottom piece is going to come out and you'll have your, feels like a nice Kydex sheath with, if you can see the clip on there, I mean, it has a clip, I'll say that for it. Don't really know how well that's going to hang on. I like them when they have like the little inset piece here that's made to more kind of stick to clothing and stuff, but it might work. I don't want to condemn it before I try it. Anyway, I usually put ulti clips on mine if I'm going to carry them anyway, so it's not really that big of a deal. See, got a little booklet here. Nice looking booklet. Like I said, Kaiser really does a good job on the unpackaging experience and just the branding. Their photography is always really good. Their photography. Don't know why I said it like that. It does come with a lanyard and, of course, a Kaiser cleaning cloth. Okay. So we'll put this extra stuff up for now because really that kind of gets in the way. We'll keep the sheath out, though. Okay, and so that one was that the Cobbler? This the Cobbler we're looking at? It's so hard to tell. Yes, okay, that is the cobbler. Okay. So, yeah, like I said, the design of these, to me, it just looks like this could be alien technology, guys, really. Like, literally be looking at some alien tech here. That doesn't look like something that you might pull out of like a downed UFO or something. Tell me that doesn't look like that in the comments down below. Really, really nice though. And if you can see, let me make sure I'm getting it up here good for you guys. You can see that it is just a solid piece of D2 steel. Good size for your hand. It really feels pretty good in the hand. The jimping back on the back here makes it feel really nice. Looks like it's got a nice slicey little sheep's foot blade on it. Like I said, these are they're both a solid piece of D2 steel hardened to 57 to 59 HRC there. So if you're wondering about that, I like that cobbler. It's got a nice size to it. It's okay. Good fit to the sheath. But yeah, for like an EDC size blade, that's a really nice carry. Well balanced. You can see there it's balanced right on the index finger. So your point of control is always going to be right in the center of the knife. Just makes them a little more pliable, a little more easy to manipulate, I guess. And they tend to feel lighter the more balanced they are. So this one is coming in at a whopping 6.6 inches, what they're calling it, and it does look like that's correct. How wide is it? So we got, I think, about a 2.1 inch wide blade here, a little over 3 inches blade, and you can see it's not super thick, but it's not exactly thin either. I mean, that's a nice thick solid piece, and like I said, it's just one solid piece of D2 steel. So that is really cool. The way that it's milled out and everything just looks so neat to me. Tell me what you guys think about the look of these in the comments down below. I think that is a really cool looking knife. And again, I hope I'm not mispronouncing his name, Maciej Torbé, the guy that designed these. He has some really, really neat looking designs. I think it's really cool looking stuff. But yeah, I just figured I would go ahead and combine these because these are literally like almost the same knife. Again, you're going to get the same stickers. And I think the easy way to do it is to take this out with the knife in. I should have figured that out the first time, huh? There's the sheath for it. You can see as well. Nice Kydex sheath with some troll candy there. Feed the trolls. Same clip on it. Won't get into that again. And again, you've got the microfiber cloth lanyard and looks like the same. Okay, so we won't go through all that again because it's literally the same setup inside there. But we will put these away because there's too much stuff out here. It really just looks a little too cluttered to me. I don't know about you guys. It bothers me. All right. And so, yeah, it's just the same kind of, comes in a little plastic sleeve. This one, to me, it looks a lot more scalpel-like. Oh, I dig that. Yeah, I'm digging that, guys. You can see it's like just a smaller version of the same knife, really. The proportions seem to be a little bit different on it as far as like the overall dimensions. It's a little different, and this one is really seems scalpel-like to me and super lightweight. The weight on these, the Scuttler is 0.73 ounces. And what was my notes? The cobbler was 1.5 ounces. So extremely, extremely lightweight. Really, really lightweight. But now picking that one up, it feels heavier after holding this one. But I really like the size of this and the shape of it. Like I said, it's very reminiscent of a scalpel. just in, you know, like its overall size and look there. But yeah, I like that. That is neat. Same jimping back here, so it feels really good in the hand. I do like the sheets that they come with. A nice custom fit, you know, Kydex sheet that works well with it. Has good retention as long as it's not damaging your blade, you know, that's a good thing. But yeah, the retention on these is good. It doesn't seem like you're getting any kind of okay, it's got a little bit of a click there as it goes in. I didn't notice it on this one, but maybe it had it too. Let's listen. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a click there. You can feel it. It does have the haptic feeling when you get it in there, but it's not so much of an audible click. So, you know, if you're one of those people that likes the Kydex sheet, then you get that audible click. Man, that thing is really in there. I almost thought I was putting it too far into the sheet there because it is, I mean, it is tight, y'all. Yeah, I don't even, that is like ridiculously tight in that sheath. I'm gonna move my coffee cup because I'm afraid I'm gonna knock it over here trying to open this knife. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so this one, the smaller one, the Scuttler, is a super, super tight in that sheath. And I don't want to, yeah, see, look, it's got, oh man, I hate to see that. I really hope it didn't have some trash or something down in the sheath there because it came out with a little Kydex on it. Don't like that. Like I told you guys, that knife is, I mean, it was incredibly tight in that sheath. And it just feels like, I really hope that's not affecting the blade as it's going in and out of there. Because, yeah, like I said, it's so tight in there. I didn't even want to put it back in and keep redrawing it because I'm going to end up cutting myself with that thing. But I did want to do a couple of paper cuts and maybe cut a little cardboard for you just so we could kind of see how they cut. But yeah, so the Scuttler looks like, let's check the length on it. The Scuttler is coming in at a little under 6 inches. So it looks like it's about 5.7 inches there. A little less than an inch wide. But just a little over a 2-inch. Again, it does seem to have that same sheep's foot type blade on it. So, you know, great belly, good for cutting. Good for cutting into materials and slicing. So they should cut really well, I would think. Let's check the cobbler first. Oh, man. Yeah. It is very sharp and smooth. It's got a very smooth sharpness to it, too, where it doesn't feel like it's, you know, with some knives, they have that coarse texture and you can really feel it grabbing. This is not feeling like that at all. It felt like a real smooth, it's hard to explain. If you know, you know. It felt like a real smooth type of cut. Let's check the Scuttler and see how it does. Oh, man. Yeah, this thing, guys, this thing is very scalpel-like. I would be real careful with this one. You'll hurt yourself before you realize you're hurt with this thing. Yeah, the Scuttler is a mini scalpel for sure. I didn't cut myself, luckily, with it. But I would say the Scuttler, be careful with this one because it being so sharp and a little bit, you know, maybe I need to, I might need to loosen the screws on the back of the sheath. I just thought of that. I may need to loosen these screws up to make it a little less tight there. Because it seems like the sheath is just incredibly tight on this. And I feel like I'm hurting the blade. I don't want to do that. So anyway, I'm going to leave that one in the sheath. The cobbler, it is very slicey too. They look a little strange, I would say, but the way they feel in your hand, they feel very natural. Real slim, obviously, and lightweight. But like I said, the balance on them is so great. They almost feel like 0G. Weightless. See, that's another thing that makes me think these are alien technology, right? Because they feel like zero gravity when you're holding them. They don't have any, feel like they have any weight to them. But anyway, both really, really slicey. I dig them. I think they're cool. I really like the different design. You know, if you're looking for something that's a little bit out of sort of just the normal fixed blade design, you know, I got my little Demko Armiger 2 here, but you can kind of see this is sort of, you know, standard knife design, handle, bolster, blade. These really are kind of doing a lot with a little very minimalist design. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Is this something weird? Would you carry it? Is this something you'd carry? I would definitely carry these. I think I might make one of these. I might main carry one of these for a little bit and just see how it, you know, how it works for an everyday carry blade. I'm going to try to work on the holster on this one and see if maybe I can get that holster loosened up. I'm thinking maybe these are just a little too tight. You know, with your Kydex holsters, if they have a clip, you could sort of manipulate the tightness of the holster by tightening or loosening these screws here. So that's one thing, if you didn't know, you can adjust a lot of times you can adjust the tension on your Kydex holsters like that, whether it's for your gun or knife or anything. But anyway, yeah, guys, let me know what you think about these in the comments down below. You got the Kizer Cobbler and the Kizer Scuttler. So the Scuttler is the one that's very scalpel-like, and the Cobbler is the slightly larger version, a little bigger, beefier version. You know, maybe the big brother, little brother type thing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about them in the comments down below. If you like the video, consider leaving me a like. I really would appreciate it. It helps us grow the channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Stay subscribed for the latest updates we got coming up. A lot of really cool videos coming up for you guys. I hate that sounds a little braggy, but I'm going to deliver on it, so it's not bragging. I do have some really neat videos I can't wait to share with you guys. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Go over to Instagram and follow us at Average Gear Review, all lowercase. That's all I've got for this one, guys. So have a great one. Average Gear Reviewer, I'm out of here.
Average Gear Review. But the best gear is the gear you have on you.